Packing Amazon FBA shipments correctly ensures your products arrive safely and are accepted at Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here's a concise guide. Prepare your products. Ensure all products are properly labeled with FNSKU barcodes. Use polybags, bubble wrap, or shrink wrap for fragile or small items to prevent damage. Choose the right box. Use sturdy, corrugated boxes that can withstand handling. Avoid reused or damaged boxes. Ensure the box size fits your product snugly to minimize movement. Pack efficiently. Place heavier items at the bottom and lighter items on top. Use packing materials like bubble wrap, air pillows, or craft paper to fill empty spaces and prevent movement. Avoid using loose fill materials like peanuts, as they can shift during transit. Seal the box securely. Use strong packing tape to seal all seams of the box. Reinforce the bottom and top with additional tape if needed. Ensure the box is closed flat and there are no bulges or gaps. Label the box. Print the shipping labels generated from Amazon Seller Central. Affix one label on top of each box, ensuring it's visible and not on a seam or edge. Include the FBA shipment ID and any other required labels. Confirm box contents. Verify the contents of each box match the shipment plan created in Seller Central. Double-check weight and dimensions to match the shipment details. Ship to Amazon. Schedule a pickup with your carrier or drop off the shipment at the carrier's location. Track the shipment to ensure it reaches the Amazon Fulfillment Center.